Another beautiful sky blue Sunday. Not a cloud in the sky. Where am I? Fucking Welding again. Fuck's sake. Remember what I said? Only a little bit on the sills. Fucking hell. That's what we always think, innit? Put a whole sill on today. I've had enough now. I'm knackered. I'm just going to tidy that up now. I was up mega early watching the Grand Prix and that. So I'm going to tidy that up. Leave it in a state of play for tonight. Call it quits and then come back to it tomorrow for a bit more tidying up. It's actually a sill off an XR4i, which is 2-door. So the fit at the back ain't great. But this is an old bag of shit. So it's nothing a skimmer filler won't sort out at the back. So I'll sort that up at the back there. But everywhere else fits like a glove. And it's eventually becoming nice and solid now. There's still a few tiny bits underneath, but they are small areas now. No more bullshit. And I've been right underneath it. I've been painting on the inside of the skins before I fucking weld everything to it. Just rust proofing everything as much as I can, so if the water gets in there we're alright. It's all sealed to death. So I think it stands a good chance of lasting. Because I told the story before when I got this car 10 years ago. I patched it up real quick to run it at a Ford show at the drag strip. And the plan was, that was on a Saturday and a Sunday, and the plan was to pull the engine out of it on a Monday and wait in. So when we patched it up last time, it was just a quick patch over to pass, to get past the scrutineer people. That was it. Just if you had big gaping holes in it, it wouldn't let it run. So it was rough. It was patched over rust, all stuff, and it lasted 10 years, and it lives outside. So this time it should have a much better chance because I've done it quite well this time. But that's it. That's all I got to show you. That's it. I've put a sill on. Yesterday I spent with my son. We went out doing his YouTube channel. We were at a BMX skate park type thing on his bike. He's only 11. I was helping him out, so I spent the day with him yesterday. But I spent pretty much all Friday evening prepping this, and then I spent all my time today when I got here finally about, I don't know, got here about 1 o'clock. Spent about 4 hours putting this on. That's it. That's all I've got for you. Fucking hell and bollocks. That's where I'll be leaving it for the night. I've just slapped it with Hammerite, the panel, but obviously that's not it. I've got other things to do, but that I don't know when I'm going to get back to it because I've got to work all through the week, and then Friday I'm at a track day. But at track day I'm not taking this, I'm taking another car that I've not even owned long, that I've never driven, never ran or anything, so I've got to go through all that before I go take this unknown quantity. So I've hit it with a Hammerite because I don't know how long it's going to sit now till I can get to it. So that's my strategy. But obviously when I come to sort this out properly, I'll just fetch that Hammerite off and do it properly. We don't even look that bad like that with it being such that style of car. I mean, these sills, you can't even see it when you drop it down because of the angle, and you can't even see it, but at least it's solid now. That's the main thing. So that's where I'm leaving it Sunday evening. Not bad. You know what, it was getting borderline ready for the scrapyard, this, thinking about it. So it's been good getting all this welding done, but I'm getting bored of it now because I had to do all the SATSO too, so I'm getting a bit bored now. So never mind, just keep going, soldier on. Keeping on with the pig. I got the tread plate in now on driver's footwell. I'm happy with that. Just gives it a bit more reinforcement. It makes the floor level instead of all these swage marks. Sounds daft, but like your heel can slip in them or slide along, whatever. That gives you a nice flat surface now with grip. Plus it reinforces the floor that bit more. So the seat can go back in now because the frame's long done, painted, welded. Seat's there. We'll chuck the seat back in it now. We'll just add that out to do this,